How to fix the U.S Bancorp application not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, there are 3 such easy steps by which you can fix your issue. For the very first one, you'll have to update your U.S Bank application. For iOS devices, you can visit App Store, and for Android devices, you can visit your Google Play Store. Then search for your U.S Bank application. If there is an update button available, make sure to tap on it to update the app. Once that is done, relaunch and your issue should be fixed. Step 2. Open settings on your device. Then after, go to apps and search for US Bank application icon. From there, select on app info and choose storage and cache. Then after, tap on clear cache. This will resolve performance issue caused by accumulated data. However, if it does not work, you will have to reinstall the app. For this, uninstall it once and then reinstall it using the Google Play Store or App Store. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.